Hello guys, you're welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to land a foreign job that pays in dollar as a tech person. Alright, whether you are a programmer, you are a software developer, as far as you have one or two digital skills that will enable you to land a foreign job, then this video is for you. All you need to do is to pay attention while we explore this together. Okay, so if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Lesiva Solution. All right, yes, my YouTube channel, Lesiva Solution. My name is Enthusiast. I create amazing content in my YouTube channel, ranging from how to acquire digital skills, make money online, all right, and do so many stuff. Okay, I have amazing content in my YouTube video. You can go through. All right, all you need to do, smash that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. All right, so having done that, let's explore this together. All right, we're going to be taking them one after the other. There are so many of them, all right, but these ones are verified. All right, I'm even in some of this platform. Okay, this is what I used to get some of my foreign jobs. Okay, so all you need to do, just follow while we do this together. The first one we're going to be looking at in this category is called lemon.io. All right, this is the site there. All right, I'll also drop the link, all right, in the description of this video. Okay, so this particular website is for developers. All right, it's for developers, in as much as you can see ship developers. Okay, so there are so many of them here. There are so many of them here because the reason why I have to pick out this particular ones is that they are verified. Right, they are verified. All right, so all you need to do, you can see where it says find jobs. Right, if you come here, you can see find jobs. All right, so or you first of all need to register on this platform, because if you come across particular platform like this, take your time. Don't just jump and start doing jobs. You can see, all right, say what kind of project are you looking for? All right, is it a part-time job? Is it a full-time? All right, or none? All right, so you have to specify the one you want. Okay, so once, let's say I need the part-time. Let's say I need the part-time. I click on next. All right, you can see that I click on next. Okay, so to take me to the next phase. All right, look at it now. How much you pay per hour in this kind of category? All right, if you are satisfied with this, you can leave it there. All right, click on next. All right, look, imagine getting $20 per hour is something. All right, so you can see that. Are you a front end web developer, back end full stack web developer? So depending on the area you are in, all right. So if as this now, I'm a full stack web developer, I can just click on full stack. All right, then you select your level. All right, junior to middle, junior, middle, senior. All right, so you select the category you are in. All right, if you're a front end developer, front end web developer, you select the front end web developer. All right, front end web developer. All right, you can say, okay, I'm a middle. All right, so you can do all of those things. Okay, so if I'm satisfied with this kind of category, all right, or you're a back-end developer, whichever one, all right, so that means as a front-end developer, you must be able to know how to use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and the rest of them. Back-end, you can say, okay, PHP, and there are many of them. Okay, but then if you can combine the two, it's a plus. So you can select the category you are in. Okay, so just select that. I can just say middle. All right, then I click on next. Okay, this is for what? Lemon.io. Lemon.io. So this particular website is for those that are into programming. All right, you are a developer, you are a programmer, whatever thing you know you can do very well, this site is for you. Okay, you can see the process that we have been taking. So let's not just waste more time here. Okay, so but then take your time, take your time. I've gone through all these sites, I've gone through them, I know what they have to offer. But just take your time and go through them and explore. Just pick the category you know you can deliver when the job comes, right? Just do that and you are good. Right, that is for what? Lemon.io, specifically designed for developers and programmers. Okay, then moving away from there, we go over to the next site we are going to be looking at in this category, because I told you I'm going to be looking at few sites that are verified that will help you get your job as a tech personnel. All right, so moving away from there, we'll go to what? Codable.io. It's called Codable.io. Now, once you come to Codable.io, it's for if you're a WordPress developer. All right, if you're a WordPress developer, then this is for you. All right, this is for you as a WordPress developer. All right, the thing is, there are so many of them. Maybe in my subsequent video I will also show you how you can get a job as a graphic designer. All right, as a maybe UI UX designer, all those kind of stuff. So I will also show you site, because this particular one is for those that are into programming developer. Because as a tech person, there are so many jobs. There are so many jobs. Now look at what it says here. 60% of clients say they they will return with more works, all right, because they are always getting good results. They're always getting good results. Now let's explore this. Say, okay, now How it works. Let's look at how it works, right? Let's look at how it works. It's a get match with your WordPress developer in under 1 day. All right, then start a project. Vetted freelancer, people that are verified. Now you can see what it says: no bidding, fair pricing. All right, look at it. Okay, how much it will cost. Now look at how it says our recommended range is between 80 to what $120 per hour. Are you getting that? It's a good thing. All right, most especially if you are from a country like Nigeria, imagine getting a job and you are paying over $120 per month. All right, it's that's over 100K plus. All right, over 200K if I'm not mistaken. All right, so this is now let's look at how to start a project. First thing is after going through a particular site, if you come to a site like this, go through them, see what they have to offer. That is, see what they have to offer, and if it's something that you can meet up with. All right. So once you are done with all those things, you can come over to what register. Right, you can log in if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you go over to where it says start a project. All right, click on start a project. Okay. All right. So start a project is asking us to create an account. Okay. So what you need to do, create an account on the platform. But if you have an account, you can just go over and log in. All right. Go over the site and log in. So if you have an account there, all right, just log in if you have an account. But then if you don't have an account, click on start a project, then register. Put in your real name, your real information on this particular kind of hunting, searching for a job. You can just go ahead, create create an email that you can use to log in on this particular website I'm showing you. All right, so you can see that brief, connect, collaborate. All right, brief, tell us what you need. Only takes a few minutes. All right, our scope of size and the rest of them. Then you can see that what type of project can I post on my Codable? Right, you can see that my project urgent, okay, need help, and you can see that. Then how much it will cost. Then you go over to where it says connect. We connect you with the right developer, top 1 to 5 recommended expert, not thousands of applicants. All right, so you can become an expert if you consistently work on your project. All right, so that is how it is. Then you go over to what the it involves 3 steps rather: brief, connect, and collaborate. So that is how it works. So moving to the next one. All right, moving to the next one is called legit. It's called legit.com. That is the name of the site. I will also drop the link. It's called legit.com. There are so many amazing, this is open to so many persons. All right, whether you're a graphic designer, social media content, UI, US, web developer, programmer, WordPress, any kind of skill you have, virtual assistant, and so many things. All right, so many things. This particular website is open to everyone. All right, it's open to everyone. Okay, so all you need to do, if you come to this site now, you can see where it says sign up. Right, sign up. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. But if you have an account, all you need to do is to log in. But then before we do that, let's explore some of the amazing services you can offer. Now you have the what is called the SEO, which is called search engine optimization. Now you have the backlink, you have the PN link, you can see video SEO, YouTube, keyword research, on-site optimization, and so many things. Local SEOs. All right, so local SEOs like creating GMB, Google My Business, and so many stuff like you can see that here. Okay, you cannot do everything. Look at the area you can perfectly deliver the job when the job comes. All right, and pitch your tent there. Okay, if you can do SEO, you are good at it. List your services. Then moving away from there, you have the writing. They have copywriting, blog post writing, web content, creative writing, SEO, and so many stuff. All right, Twitter ghost writing. In as much as you know that you can deliver this aspect of content writing and the rest of them, pitch your tent here. And I will also advise when you are listing your service, don't just list one service and relax. List about 4 to 5, even 10 services or 20 services that you can comfortably. And now imagine as a writer, you can do what's called copywriting. Now look at, you can do what's called copywriting, you can do blog posting, you can do what's called resume and cover letters, editing, proofreading, you can do what's called creative writing, web content. Now imagine you can do this now. Yeah, you already have about 5 or 6 services you can comfortably list in this particular site. So it's a good thing. Now going over to what is called the graphic designer, you can see graphic designer. As a graphic designer, you should be able to design logo comfortably, design the image edit, you can edit all kinds of image, book covers, ebook covers, social media designs. All right, for Facebook, Instagram, you know all the sizes, landing page design, all right, business card design. There are so many of the stuff there. You can see brochure, you can do that, t-shirt designs. As a graphic designer, you can comfortably list all of these things and have your job. Right? Imagine you are not getting a job from graphic logo design. You can get from what business card design. all right, is something. Now, as a programmer, you can see that you have WordPress design, you have web development design, you have all those kind of designs here, all right, you can see. So depend on the one you know you can deliver comfortably. Now you have AI, all right. You have AI, you have internet marketing as a you can run Facebook ads successfully, you can manage social media account. So there are so many stuff you can do from this particular website called legit.com. So it's an avenue for you to get your tech job. So list your service and you are good to go. All right. So now if you want to sign up, like I said before, go over to what? Login. All right. You can see login if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you just go over to this part and what? Sign up. All right. Sign up, list your services. All right. Services you know you can comfortably deliver. I already have my account there. All right. I have my account on this platform. Okay. So you also need to have your account because can't say you are a tech person and you don't know how to get jobs for yourself. All right. These are platforms that will enable you get those kind of job. All right. Hope you are getting value from all this content I'm dropping. If you have, just make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay. Now moving away from here, we have the last one. I know most of us are familiar with this particular platform, but then how well do you utilize it? The last platform we are going to be looking at is called Facebook. Right, it's called Facebook. Now, if you come to Facebook, there's the Facebook. If you come to Facebook, you have move over to this search button. Right, come to this search button. Once you come over to this search button here, you will see the part that says, all right, search for. So you can join groups. All right, you can join groups. You can join platform. All right, there are some depending on the one you know you can comfortably deliver. Now, let's say as a what will I call it? As a WordPress developer, come here and I search for WordPress. All right, you will see groups. All right, you can see WordPress developer. All right, then you come over to where it says groups. All right, click on group. All right, click on group. So once you do that, you will see every categories. All right, so you can join as many group as possible. And now look at this. In this group, they have over 40K members, and they have a 10 plus posts in a day. Now, all right, okay, you can see two of my friends are here already. Right, I've not joined this. Right, so if I want to join, I'll just click on what? Join. All right, because in this group now, so many persons post jobs. Some person can also post a job that they're having a challenge with. There was a time I helped somebody to deliver a project on Elementor, just Elementor. The person was having challenge with Elementor template, was building a website, and the template they used on that particular website was Elementor. So I had to. The person just posted the 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 job, say okay, anybody good with Elementor. That was the statement the person made and just dropped on the group, and I was able to see it. There are so many persons that saw it too. I was able to see the thing too. So the person here, we have to just discuss. I was able to help the person deliver the job, though it was not a full project. But then at the end of the day, myself and the person we are still in good connection till tomorrow. All right. So but then if I was not in that group, I wouldn't have seen the job. I get it now. I won't have seen the job. So that is how it happens. So most of the time, join groups like this in line with what you know you can comfortably deliver. All right. Join groups, and as you do, when jobs are when some because as the moment you join the group, anytime they post on the group there, you will see it in your walls. All right. You will see it in your Facebook wall. Right. Let me go back. So anytime the person posts, you will see it in your walls. When you're just scrolling like this, you will be seeing it showing on your timeline, on your Facebook page. All right. So you'll be seeing the content there. So it is very, very important that we understand how to get jobs. So hope this particular content was useful to you. And if you enjoyed this video, kindly make sure you smash that notification bell. And if you have any challenge, drop in the comment section and I'll be glad to help you fix it. And if there's any video you would like to elaborate on any of this platform I've just listed, you want me to discuss on, kindly mention that in the comment section and I will help you fix it. All right. Thank you so much for staying in this particular video. See you in my next video.